Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important steps involved in the staffing process. Staffing means putting people to jobs or finding the right people for the right job. Staffing function of management is concerned with obtaining, utilizing and maintaining a satisfactory and satisfied workforce. Staffing is the managerial function of filling and keeping filled positions in the organization structure. The important steps involved in the staffing process are: first one, estimating manpower requirements; second point, recruitment; third one, selection; fourth point, placement and orientation; then next point, training and development; sixth point, performance appraisal; then promotion and career planning; then last one, compensation. The first step involved in the staffing process is estimating manpower requirements. Estimating manpower requirements means understanding how many persons are needed and of what type, educational qualification, skills, etc. in the organization to fill the various job positions created while designing the organizational structure. Understanding the manpower requirements would necessitate workload analysis, workforce analysis. Second point is recruitment. Second step is recruitment. Recruitment refers to the process of finding possible candidates for a job or function. It can be defined as the process of researching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. The job description and the desirable profile of its occupant may be used for developing the situation's vacant advertisement. The advertisement may be displayed on the factory or office gate. It may be got published in print media or flashed in electronic media. This step involves locating the potential candidates or determining the resources of potential candidates. Both internal and external sources of recruitment may be explored. Internal sources may be used to a limited extent. For fresh talent and wider choice, external sources are used. The objective of recruitment is to attract potential employees with the necessary characteristics or qualification in the adequate number for the jobs available. Therefore, recruitment is a positive process. It locates available people for the job and invites them to apply for the job in the organization. Recruitment seeks to attract suitable applicants to apply for available jobs. The various activities involved in the process of recruitment are identification of different sources of recruitment, assessment of their validity, choosing the most suitable resources, and inviting application from the prospective candidates. Third step is selection. Selection is the process of identifying and choosing the best person out of a number of prospective candidates for the job. The candidates are required to take a series of employment tests and interviews. At every stage, many are eliminated and a few move to this next stage until the right type is found. Therefore, selection is considered as a negative process. The process may start right from the screening of their applications. It may continue even after the offer of employment, acceptance and joining of the candidate. It is also because the process of selection, like any other managerial decisions, involve judgment about the performance potential of the candidate. The different types of tests involved in the selection process are intelligence test, that is IQ test, second one aptitude test, third one personality test, and last one, trade test. Next step is employment interview. Interview is a formal, in-depth conversation conducted to evaluate the applicant's suitability for the job. The role of the interviewer is to seek information, and that of the interview is to provide the same. Though in present times, the interview seeks information from interviewer. Next step is reference and background checks. Many employers request names, address, and phone numbers of references, that is, previous employers, non persons, teachers, and university professors, etc., for the purpose of verifying information and gaining additional information about the applicant. Once the candidates are selected for the required job, they have to be fitted as per the qualifications. Placement is said to be the process of fitting the selected person at the right time at the right place. Next step involved in the staffing process is orientation. During the orientation, employees are made aware about the mission and vision of the organization. Generally, the information given during the orientation program includes employees' layout, type of organizational structure, departmental goals, organizational layout, general rules, etc. After deciding the selected person, medical examination is also be conducted. The candidate is required to undergo a medical fitness test. The job offer is given to the candidate being declared fit after the medical examination. The last step is training of employees. Training of employees takes place after orientation takes place. Training is the process enhancing the skills, capabilities, and knowledge of employees for doing a particular job. These are the important steps involved in the staffing process. Thank you.